Welcome back to Auto Update Review. Today, we have the stunning 2025 Ford Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric SUV that blends power, technology, and iconic Mustang DNA. Let's dive into what makes this EV a true game-changer. The 2025 Mach-E receives subtle yet impactful design upgrades. The signature pony badge sits proudly on a revised front fascia with an aerodynamic touch. Sleek LED lighting, sporty contours, and fresh alloy wheel designs enhance its road presence. The new cyber orange and deep blue color options add to its bold personality. Performance enthusiasts will love the updated powertrain options. The base model delivers 290 horsepower, while the extended range AWD variant pushes 346 horsepower. And for thrill seekers, the GT Performance Edition cranks out 480 horsepower and 860 Nm of torque, launching from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. The improved battery tech now offers up to 320 miles of range, making long drives effortless. Step inside, and you're greeted with a modern, high-tech cabin. The minimalist dashboard features premium materials, ambient lighting, and an upgraded 15.5-inch infotainment system running the latest Sync 5 software. The digital driver display now offers enhanced customization, while wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures an immersive audio express. Ford has packed the Mach-E with smart safety tech. Blue Cruise 1.3 now offers hands-free driving on over 200,000 miles of mapped highways. The enhanced driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera and parking assist make urban navigation a breeze. Charging the Mach-E is more convenient than ever. With DC fast charging, you get 80% battery in just 30 minutes. Ford's expanded Blue Oval charging network now includes over 100,000 stations, ensuring stress-free long-distance travel. Plus, the Mach-E's frunk and spacious cargo area offer 29.7 cubic feet of storage, making it perfect for road trips. The 2025 Mustang Mach-E starts at around $45,000, with the GT Performance Edition pushing past $65,000. With its thrilling performance, cutting-edge tech, and improved range, the Mach-E remains a top choice for EV buyers. What do you think about the 2025 Mach-E? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Visuals. Auto Update Review logo, subscribe button animation, previous video suggestions.